Hello and welcome to your health channel, where we discuss the issues that matter to you and provide practical solutions to help improve your life. In this video today, we're going to discuss a topic that has become increasingly relevant: the health dangers of working from home and how you can overcome them. The shift to remote work has brought about many benefits, such as flexibility and reduced commuting time, but it has also introduced some unique health challenges. Let's explore these dangers and, more importantly, how to tackle each one effectively. 1. Sedentary lifestyle. The first health danger is a sedentary lifestyle. Many of us find ourselves sitting for extended periods without realizing it. Prolonged sitting can lead to serious health issues such as obesity, cardiovascular diseases, and muscle atrophy. Lack of physical activity is a major risk factor for several chronic conditions. It can cause reduced muscle mass, poor circulation, and increased fat accumulation, particularly around the abdomen. Over time, this can elevate the risk of developing conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and deep vein thrombosis. To overcome this, set a timer to remind yourself to stand up and move every hour. Incorporate short exercises or stretches into your routine. Using a standing desk can also help you alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day. 2. The second work-from-home health danger is poor posture. Poor posture is another common issue, especially when working from makeshift home offices that lack ergonomic furniture. This can lead to back pain, neck strain, and other musculoskeletal issues. Maintaining an improper posture for prolonged periods can cause misalignment of the spine and increased stress on muscles and joints. This can lead to chronic pain, reduced mobility, and even nerve damage. Over time, poor posture can contribute to degenerative conditions like herniated discs and osteoarthritis. Invest in an ergonomic chair and set up your workstations so that your computer screen is at eye level and your feet are flat on the floor. Regularly check your posture and make adjustments as needed. The following are some best sitting positions. The 90-90-90 position. Sit with your knees, hips, and elbows all at 90-degree angles. Keep your feet flat on the floor and your back straight against the chair. Your eyes should be level with the top third of the screen. The reclined position. Sit back in your chair with a slight recline of about 100 to 110 degrees. Ensure your lower back is supported, possibly with a cushion. Keep your feet flat on the floor and your neck in a neutral position. The forward tilt position. Use a chair that can tilt slightly forward. Keep your feet flat on the floor, with your thighs slightly sloping downwards. Ensure your back is straight and your weight is evenly distributed. The dynamic sitting position. Frequently change your sitting position throughout the day. Shift your weight from one side to the other, and occasionally sit on the edge of the chair to engage your core muscles. Use a stability ball as an alternative seating option to encourage movement. The standing sitting hybrid. Alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day. Use a sit-stand desk to adjust your working position regularly. When sitting, follow the 90-90-90 position. When standing, keep your weight evenly distributed on both feet. 3. Eye strain. Third on the list of work-from-home health dangers is eye strain. Staring at screens for long periods can cause eye strain, headaches, and even vision problems over time. Prolonged screen time can lead to digital eye strain, which manifests as dry eyes, blurred vision, and headaches. The blue light emitted by screens can disrupt your sleep patterns and contribute to eye discomfort. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. Adjust your screen's brightness and consider using blue light filters. 4. Mental health challenges. The isolation and lack of social interaction when working from home can lead to feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and depression. Social interactions are crucial for emotional well-being. The lack of face-to-face interactions can make remote workers feel isolated and disconnected, contributing to increased stress, anxiety, and depression. The blurred boundaries between work and personal life can exacerbate these feelings. Schedule regular virtual meetings with colleagues and friends to stay connected. Make time for hobbies and activities that bring you joy. If necessary, seek professional help from a therapist. 5. Lack of work-life balance. Without a clear separation between work and home life, it's easy to overwork and burn out. When the boundaries between work and personal life are blurred, it becomes challenging to switch off from work mode. This can lead to overworking, increased stress levels, and burnout, negatively impacting mental and physical health. Set specific work hours and stick to them. Create a dedicated workspace that you can leave at the end of the day. Establish boundaries with household members to minimize interruptions. 6. Unhealthy eating habits. Proximity to your kitchen can lead to frequent snacking and unhealthy eating habits, contributing to weight gain and poor nutrition. Easy access to food and the tendency to snack mindlessly can lead to poor dietary choices. Consuming high-calorie, low-nutrient foods can result in weight gain, poor energy levels, and increased risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension. Plan and prepare healthy meals and snacks in advance. Keep junk food out of sight and make sure you have nutritious options readily available. 7. Sleep problems. Irregular schedules and increased screen time can disrupt your sleep patterns, leading to insomnia and other sleep-related issues. Irregular work hours and excessive screen time, especially before bed, can interfere with your circadian rhythm. This disruption can lead to difficulty falling asleep, poor sleep quality, and chronic sleep deprivation, which affects overall health and cognitive function. Solution: maintain a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime and create a relaxing nighttime routine. 8. Decreased physical activity. With gyms closed and daily commutes eliminated, it's easy to miss out on regular physical activity. Regular physical activity is essential for cardiovascular health, muscle strength, and mental well-being. The lack of routine physical activities, such as commuting or visiting the gym, can lead to a sedentary lifestyle, weight gain, and increased risk of chronic diseases. Incorporate exercise into your daily routine, whether it's a home workout, yoga, or a walk around your neighborhood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. 9. Overworking and lack of breaks. Without the natural breaks provided by a traditional office environment, you may find yourself working longer hours without taking breaks. Continuous work without breaks can lead to mental fatigue, decreased productivity, and burnout. Breaks are essential for maintaining focus, reducing stress, and preventing physical strain from prolonged sitting. Schedule regular breaks throughout your day. Use techniques like the Pomodoro Technique, which involves working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. 10. Distractions at home. Working from home can come with numerous distractions, from household chores to family members needing attention. Home environments often lack the structured setting of an office, making it easier to get distracted by non-work related activities. These interruptions can reduce productivity and increase stress levels as you try to juggle multiple responsibilities simultaneously. Create a distraction-free workspace and communicate your work hours to household members. Use tools like noise-canceling headphones and productivity apps to stay focused. There you have it, 10 common health dangers of working from home and practical solutions to overcome each one. By making small but meaningful changes to your daily routine, you can protect your health and well-being while enjoying the benefits of remote work. Thanks for tuning in to your show's name. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Stay healthy and take care.